Here come the ants. Can't do without them in such a video. I've already talked multiple times about the remarkable mental abilities of these insects. Some ant species, just like bees, can communicate to their fellow ants where food is located using their antennae. You also know, well, that some ants engage in farming and mushroom cultivation. Moreover, they can keep slaves captured from neighboring colonies to work for them. All this behavior is very reminiscent of humans. But what doesn't resemble human behavior is the ability of some ant species to turn themselves into a living bridge so their colony members can cross to the other side. In case of flooding, there's a species that turns itself into a living raft to save the others. Ants can also navigate through space using the sun, wind direction, light patterns, step counting, and so on. But this species, which inhabits Australia, does something truly incredible. This colony searches for a suitable plant to build its nest, and once the search is complete, they get to work. By climbing onto each other's backs, the strongest ants stretch across the gaps and pull the leaves together. By connecting them, they create their nest. But the question arises, how do they glue the leaves together? Because just pulling them together isn't enough. The way these insects solve this task shocks scientists. The thing is, to glue the leaves together, worker ants have learned to use their larvae by holding the larva in their jaws and touching it with their antennae. The ant prompts it to produce silk, which the workers use to glue the leaves together. It's just unbelievable. You couldn't even make this up on purpose. In the end, the nest is ready, and now the ants have a strong, waterproof, safe home. Ants aren't very smart individually, but their huge colonies work like a single superorganism.